blue color, yellow color, black color, green color, red color, and white color. Okay, it's 9 raw alphabets. And first we draw A. A for apple, A for ant, and U is blue color. B. B for ball, B for bat. It's neither C. C for cat, C for car, and U is yellow color. D. D for dog, D for doll. It's neither E. E for egg, E for elephant, and U is black color. F. F for fish, F for fan. G. G for goat, G for grapes. It's neither H. H for hand, H for helicopter, and U is green color. It's again use green color and draw I. I for ice, I for ice cream. It's neither J. J for joker, J for jackfruit, and U is red color. K. K for kite, K for king. It's neither L. L for lion, L for lemon, and U is blue color. M. M for moon, M for mango. It's again use blue color and draw N. N for nose, N for nest. It's neither O. O for orange, O for octopus, and U is yellow color. P. P for parrot, P for penguin. It's neither Q. Q for queen, Q for quill, and U is black color. R. R for rose, R for rice. It's neither S. S for sun, S for snake, and U is green color. T. T for teacher, T for tiger. It's again use green color and draw U. U for umbrella, U for uncle. It's neither V. V for van, V for vanilla, and U is red color. W. W for wallet, W for watch. It's again use red color and draw Y. Y for yak. Sorry kids, mistake. Y. Y for yak, Y for yo-yo. And Z. Z for zebra, Z for zoo. Red color, yellow color, blue color, black color, green color, and white color. Kids draw numbers, and first you draw 1 and use red color. O N E 1. Kids again use red color and draw 2. T W 2. Kids neither 3. The numbers of 3 and use yellow color. Yellow color. T H R W 3. Kids again use yellow color and draw 4. F O U R 4. Kids neither 5. the numbers of 5, and hue is blue color. F I V 5, it's 96, and again use blue color. S I X 6, the numbers of 6, it's 97, the numbers of 7, and hue is black color. S E V E and 7, 8, E I G H T 8, it's 9, the numbers of 9, and hue is green color. N I N E 9, 10, T E and 10, it's 11, the numbers of 11, and hue is red color. 12, the numbers of 12, it's 13, the numbers of 13, and hue is yellow color. 14, the numbers of 14, it's 15, the numbers of 15, and hue is blue color. 16, the numbers of 16, it's 17, the numbers of 17, and hue is black color. 18, the numbers of 18, it's 19, the numbers of 19, and hue is green color. 20, the last numbers of 20, red color, yellow color, black color, blue color, white color, and green color. Kids, now you draw alphabets, and first you draw A for apple, A for aeroplane, and use red color. Kids, again use red color and draw B for ball, B for bat. Kids, again use red color and draw C for cat, C for car. D for dog, D for doll. Kids, again use red color and draw E for egg, E for elephant. Kids, now you draw numbers, and first you draw 1 and use yellow color. O N E 1, 2 T W 2. Kids, again use yellow color and draw 3 T H R W 3. Kids, night of 4, and again use yellow color F O U R 4. Kids, night of 5, F I V E 5. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.